Okay, now we will introduce the multifunction cryolipolysis machine. Okay, this is the main machine. And this is the working handle. This one is the cryo handle. And this one is also the cryo handle. And the cavitation working handle. 6-polar RF. 4-polar RF. And this is the replace heads for the working handle, okay? And this is the water cup and its tube. And the fat caliper. Some spare parts for the machine and tools, okay? And the filter bar for the working handle. And this, some foam. And this is the rubbers for the working handle. And the bond tie. Anti-freezing membrane. Okay, next step, we will install the working handles. This is the cryo handle, okay? And when we want to install this working handle, first step, we should press these two white buttons, okay? Make sure these two tips are up, okay? Press first, and then match the right position of these holes. And then press, you will hear the sound. Okay, when you want to remove this working handle, we just need to press these two buttons and then pull out. And another side is the same. Okay. Also press first and then install. Okay, next step, we will install the cavitation working handle, okay? And we also need to match the hole inside and then press. That will be finished. And if you want to take out, just pull out. It is okay, okay? Now we install. And next one is the 6-polar RF. 6-polar RF. Okay, 6-polar RF. It is the same operation, okay? Match the hole and then insert. And the last one is the 4-polar RF. It is okay. Okay, next step, we will inject the water, okay? Before using this machine, we have to inject full water inside. And this is the water inlet hole and the water outlet hole. And this is the water overflow hole, okay? When we need to inject the water, we have to insert two holes. One is the water inlet hole. It means the water cup should insert to the water inlet hole, okay? Before installation, we have to press this silver button and make sure the tip is up. Then insert the water cup. Okay, you'll hear the sound. Then it is finished. And when you want to take out this tube, we need to press the silver button also. Then pull out. Okay, it is very easy. Then next tube, we need to insert to the water overflow hole. When the water inside is full, it will come out from the water overflow hole, okay? Okay, now we will insert the water. Okay, next step, we will teach how to release the water inside. When you don't want to use this machine anymore, we have to release the water inside, okay? We just need to take out this tube and insert through the water outlet. Then the water will come out from the machine. now we will install well the working handle. Okay, the first step, we will need to use this rubber to insert here. Please match the second step. We will use the filter foam, put here, and the last step, use this leak-proof strip. We need to make sure this part is installed well, because the liquid, to avoid the liquid rush back to the working handle. Okay, after the rubber installed well, we will put this handle cup on the working handle, like this. Match the position, and the last step, we will use this part and then tie it, and the same operation. Okay, now we will enter into the operation screen. We choose the language. Okay, and you can see there are 4 functions, and this is the crowd function. When we enter into this screen, we can adjust the modes. Okay, this is the continue mode and the pause mode. You can choose according to your client's real situation. Okay, and this is the vacuum adjustment. And normally we will start from the lower level. Okay, and this is the temperature for the adjustment. The same, you can adjust them according to your situation. And the treatment time. Okay, for the crowd treatment, normally it's 16 minutes, and for the 15 minutes we can use the continue mode, and the last 10 minutes we can use the pause mode. Okay, after setting, just press start. It is okay. Okay. Okay, next function is the cavitation. Okay, when we enter into the screen, we can adjust the vacuum power and the modes. Also, first one is the continue mode and the pause mode. Okay, and you can adjust the power and the treatment time. Okay, after setting, press start button. Okay, next function is the 6-polar RF, and the same operation, vacuum power adjustment, and the modes adjust, and the power, treatment time, press start button. Okay, next one is the 4-polar RF, and the vacuum power adjustment, and the modes adjustment, and the power, okay, and treatment time, start button. Okay, now is this the 4-polar RF treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put some gel on the treatment part. Okay, now we will start the treatment for the arm. Okay, next treatment we will do the 6-polar RF. And the same, before doing the treatment, we have to put some gel or some essential oil on the treatment part. After setting the parameter on the screen, just press the start button. Okay, you feel the suction. Okay. Okay. Next step, we will put the working handle on your treatment part. Next treatment is the cavitation. Okay, and for the cavitation treatment, we also need to put the gel or the essential oil on the treatment part. Okay, now we will put the cavitation working handle on the treatment part and move slowly. Okay, next treatment is the cryolipolysis treatment. And before doing the cryolipolysis treatment, we have to put the anti-freezing membrane on the treatment part. Okay, after putting the anti-freezing membrane and setting all the parameters on the screen, we just need to put the working handle on the treatment part and then press the white button. Then the cryo treatment will be started.